Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Now select Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and to apply it, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!